In this video, we'll show you how to change the master power window switch on your Chevy Silverado. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Open the door. Next, using a car trim removal tool, remove the plastic cover located on the interior door handle. Using a multi-bit screwdriver and a 10mm socket, unscrew the two handle retaining bolts. Then remove it. Using the car trim removal tool, pry out the master power window switch plastic trim. Then disconnect both power connectors from the power window controls. To do this, push on the tabs and pull on the connectors. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Using the car trim removal tool, lift the 4 clips holding the power window controls to the plastic trim. Then remove the master power window switch from the plastic trim. You can order the master power window switch used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Take the new part and install it on the plastic trim. Reconnect the connectors of the electric window controls. You can now clip the plastic trim back onto the door panel. Next, put the door handle back in place at the bottom. Then screw it back on. Replace the plastic cover. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right, CarParts.com.